Jake brakes haven't cackled in a while. Oh yeah. Well, I guess you could say winter started up around here, southern Ontario. Let's get to the field, try out some corn. Well, what better place to do my intro clip than here in the field that we have been trying to get to, and we've been having some bad luck. And today we have just a little bit more of that Mother Nature not really on our side. All right, here we are, shut down. Let's go see what happened. Well, I'm on a hot streak for missing cool clips. Just missed a beauty old cold start on this old Detroit. But unfortunately, I didn't record it because yesterday it fired up so easily that I was just like, there's no way it's going to be cool. And then it was super cool. And you're about to see how lame yesterday was. Welcome to the video, everybody. No problem for. All right, since that cold start sucks so much, let's cold start the old 359. Well, I've never seen anything like it. Been doing this a lot of years and never had Mother Nature shut us down with snow. It's my trip down to Elmer. Usually is nice and easy, but who knows what we're gonna see this time. Last time we seen a bunch of fire trucks going somewhere, a bunch of volunteer firefighters going somewhere. I was going 60, keeping her between the Mustard and the Mayo, but the road was covered just like this. This is more or less snow out there on the tarmac and pavement. It is all ice. Anyways, the snow has covered everything. We're just filling up the rest of my trailers. Woo! Boat fell. And we'll be taking her in. Oh, that's a thumbnail picture. So, we're probably gonna drop this combine head. And then we're gonna take that combine home because nothing worse than a bunch of wetness sitting inside that combine right now from all the snow that's been going through it. And then something freezing up, breaking something. Don't want that, don't need that, so let's go lend a hand get this header off, get these tarps rolled up. It's probably windy and you probably can't hear nothing. I don't even know. Get these tarps rolled up first. Don't need any of that snow in the trailer anymore. There she goes. Nice. Nice. Woo-hoo-hoo. And I'll grab a pair of gloves. Oh, both of them are on the seat, so that's real handy. Alright, let's go help out. While I'm thinking about it, how I've been editing now is not really cutting every little clip where I don't say something out and just kind of keeping it more like real life. So let me know in the comments what you think about that. I can start cutting stuff down like I usually like to, but I've just been doing it this way. Oh, winter tip, make sure you always check your tail lights because they're usually gonna be covered in snow. Plate. Perfect. All right. We'll get this head off and then we'll head off in the truck back down to Aylmer once again. So here's the cart. Here's the snow-filled head and all the stuff we got to take off. Oh yeah, she is covered. Holy. Now all the attachments and whatever that run it are unhooked and it's basically just floating on the combine, unlocked, unhooked, and dropper. Bring her in the shop and clean her out. There's some probably some wet nastiness in there right now. Just a little something to do while we wait for the snow to pass. And the front comes out in the middle. Nice. Any corn. Yeah, get this corn out of there. And corn's out of the front. Corn's out of there. Corn is money. So keep her in the head. Keep her where you need her. The auger doing some movement. Whew. Shutting her down. So she ain't gonna freeze. Into the truck we go. There goes Combine Man. All the way down there. Oh yeah, he's gone. He ain't wasting no time. Kind of hard to record really zoomed in. Well, you're walking through a cornfield. All right. Tarped up, loaded, to Aylmer we go. And them roads were not very good when we went back here the first time, so I can't imagine what they are now, because not too many snowplow operators out there anymore, it seems like. Big thanks to Scott for the Charger rental. She'll be coming back good as new, but it's the only reason this video is actually going to continue because my phone was dead out there in the cold. We're going to switch to channel 19 so we can hear if there's anything going to happen. Turn that squelch up. All right, fire this baby up. Get these windshields cleaned off. Got the big red, big old Detroit. Not much horsepower. She's gonna be slipping and sliding all over the friggin' road, but oh well, what can you do? should have got clips when it was snowing a lot harder than this. I wasn't even going to really record this video, but then we actually shut her down, so here we are. Because before you couldn't even see the elevator across the field there. It was completely gone, snow covered. Yeah, it was snowing hard. This turn really sucks. To my right, it is blind lined hill. You don't know what's coming over. And then down the other way, it's quick and it's still kind of a blind hill. And this truck don't get up and go too fast, so slow and steady. Oh, that guy's on the side of the road, that's lucky. Oh, this guy is not. Big wave, 4 ways on. We start backing her down for the little town of Avon here. And this road was basically the same condition when I went down it about an hour ago. They definitely have put some salt and sand down. You can see it sitting in the middle of the road, getting all over the truck, rotting everything away. But also at the same time, making work for us this winter. So, yeah, gotta go. The good with the bad. Take the good with the bad. All you can do. Anyways, down near Elmer is where it was actually like not nice, and I was slipping on the road and I was going like 50. Because here's a winter tip for you: whatever speed you feel comfortable at, go that speed and then take about 10 kilometers off it or 10 miles off it, and that's probably the speed you should be doing in a winter storm or anywhere you feel like you should be slowing her down just a little bit instead of giving her the full bore. Well, it looks like our snow plow turned back there, and now we are on untouched roads, because there's definitely no salt, no sand down, nothing's melted, and this is where it got a little slippery last time, so we'll see how she goes. All I know is with this truck, it's going to be slow and steady no matter what. Shifting, because here comes a good one. almost cut me off. He turned that corner and then stopped at that for sale sign right there. Unreal. That was basically where that Mustang is right now. Good thing it wasn't slippery and icy out like today. One thing is, when you're loaded and you're driving on like a nice road like this, when you have the weight on your drives, you definitely got a lot more stability on the road to get up and going, but your stopping will not be good. When you're empty, you'll be slipping and sliding going through the gears to get up to speed. You'll be wanting to go slow because obviously your stopping's still not going to be good, but it's a whole different world when you got no weight on your drives and you're trying to keep them spinning and push you down the road. So make sure if you haven't been driving in the winter yet, you go super slow, super cautious at every corner, get slowed down way before and crawl up to the corner, and you got to put a whole new game face on once it gets snowy and cold and nasty. Definitely gotten a lot milder out because a lot of this has kind of went away. Not snowing so hard. The freezing's probably still there, no doubt, but it's just not what it was. I shoulda, woulda, and coulda recorded, but I didn't because I wasn't gonna, and now I regret it. Story of my life. Either way, maybe you're from somewhere that you don't get no snow and you don't really see this so much, so cool for me, cool for you. Watch it, don't watch it. Give me a like, comment, subscribe. You know what I mean. Anyways, like I was saying, you want to be slowed down for this stop sign, like way back here, and then slowly work your way up to it. You don't want to be coming up hot to a stop sign like you would in the middle of the summer, you know. Well, you can in the middle of summer. You don't want to either time, but I'm just saying, make sure you got plenty of time to stop. Make sure you know what kind of load you got behind you, or if you have nothing behind you, it's the same thing, because then you're just floating on the ground. Nobody coming? Oh yeah, this is nothing like it was. I'm kind of disappointed. Son of a gun. Well, we'll go through the gears, and we'll see if she gets anywhere. So this will be the one. We're close enough to Christmas. I didn't want to make anybody mad. Like, oh, away she goes. Anyway, nice safe drive down to Elmer. We've seen it a couple times now already, so if there's anything cool to see on the way there, like that big stretched out Peterbilt coming up, you'll be the first to see. All right, we will see you down there. And here she is, covered in snow. That's sweet pea. Eat it. And last time I was here in Lyons, all the fire trucks were just heading out to some kind of call. I had to pull over 3 times for a volunteer light. I had to pull over 2 times for fire trucks. And I could see them all scrambling in there when I drove by, but we'll see if there's anyone in there now. She's looking pretty quiet. Everything looks probably like it's gotten figured out and snowplows have done their thing and people realize that there's snow on the ground. Oh yeah, there's nobody there, just the one pickup truck. One pickup truck, and all the trucks have returned, so that's good. They won't be in anyone's way, they won't be doing anything, and yeah, not that they're in the way, you know what I mean. Another, not the best turn, but it doesn't look like too many people are coming. Oh, we got a tractor coming. That means I get to pull out in front of him, like he'd pull out in front of me. Big guy. There we go. Oh, there's Gregor coming at us. Oh, this transmission has like the widest slots to put it in. You can put it in first gear, and you're like way over on the other side of the box. Like it's. She's a 97. She's almost got 3 million kilometers on her. Not saying this is the original transmission by no means, but I'll tell you what, I'll show you when we get there. She is a loosey-goosey. Better idea, I'm going to show you right now. See that? That's in gear. That's still in gear. Wait till I pop it in neutral. It doesn't look much different. This is in neutral. And then that's in gear. So there's lots of room there to miss a shift. Sorry everybody, but I'm not cutting it out. Alright, back to the road. Nope, she's all good and cleared off out here too. Wow. So much for ice road trucking thumbnail clip I was gonna make. Oh well. I was ice road trucking earlier, empty as well, so even worse. This is the same road. Let me put the window up. This is the same road that truck slid right in front of Jeff when we were trucking last Christmas time. Just about totally demolished that truck, that W900 Kenworth we just built. Buddy went to stop at the intersection and went whoop, sliding right on through and bam! It was very, very close. Not good. Not good. Big old salt shaker now. Big blue flashing light. No blade on the front, but it's got a blade on the side. No salt falling out. Not that we really need it anymore. Hopefully we see a large car or something coming in down over here. There she is. As always, wishing I had Jake brakes in this thing to just let him purr right now, but we don't. Oh, we got the green light though. I'll take that. Our favorite town in the world, Elmer, Ontario. Yeah, buddy. one time I record, no one does anything stupid. Oh boy. Guess I should always have the camera on. Blue Dodge runs in front of me, guaranteed. Come on, man. What the fuck are you doing? Big truck is not trying to get close to you. We're just trying to keep it rolling that little bit so we don't have to pull off of a dead stop. So when you're looking in your mirror at me, probably thinking I'm an idiot, you should be looking at the green light and getting her rolling, because I'm just trying to keep moving here, buddy. I ain't trying to get up and ride your arse by no means. Off in the distance, the big old FS Partners Helmer. A familiar view from the video yesterday, or not yesterday, but the other day. That guy's just running her in, single axle tarpless. Why can I not talk today? Ow now, brown cow. Tip of the tongue, teeth in the lips. A little bit of that vocal practice. Anyway, here we are. About to get probed in, unloaded in the cold wind. Not excited about it. Not going to pull right up to that scale because I don't want it to be ice and I can't move. That won't be fun. Another tip for you. Don't pull up to something like that and hope that you're going to make it up, because she could be ice. It's never fun backing up trains on ice. They start pulling you down and you start sliding and slipping, and then you get salt and a shovel, and never fun. Never fun. Just wait back here. I should have even waited farther back where I'm nice and straight, but now I'm turned and hopefully all will be good, but we'll see. Oh, boys, yeah. At least it'll just be this guy and then me up, and then I guess head back to the yard, and it's only like 12:30 right now, so get some lunch, I guess. It's a moment of truth. Oh yeah, we're rolling. Always nice and slow on the scales. And now we got on tarp. Since we have to tarp when it's snowing. You don't have to, but I did. You'd think they'd make this walkway long enough to get to your step, but they don't. So here we go. Oh, apparently not a lot of corn in there. I guess I'll back up. The oldest, most ricketiest probe I've ever seen anywhere I go. But usually there's corn in this one, so it's not quite enough. Good job. I'm not standing out here. Gotta put one foot in front of the other. Thanks, Jen, for the wonderful probing. Sorry we just couldn't get enough current in her. I don't know what I'm weighing, probably like nothing. And up the stairs of hell. My favorite. Not usually good when the truck shuts off. Oh, I hope it restarts because that guy's already empty. Oh, okay. Come on, baby. Should have put her on high idle. Woo! We got her. We got her. We even got the lights doing a little dance out there. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Alright. That scared me. I was just standing up there, and then I hear it go, ba-dum. And I see the guy pull out of the pit. I'm like, uh-oh. Sometimes this thing don't start up right away after it does that. Because if you don't put it on high idle, she shuts down. I don't know. Is it a Detroit thing? You tell me. I have no idea why it does that. But anyway, she started back up. We're going to the pit. The boys are ready to unload me. She was not very much in the trailer there. It's a big old 49,000 kg gross. That's truck, trailer, and the load. So here we go. Up on the pit for the last one of the day. Back once again. I'm gonna go roll those tarps. I'll give them a good handle from the front, and we will idle this thing up so it doesn't quit on us again, and get these trailers unloaded with this big old snow corn. Want this one? You can see now how that corn's like right to the mouth of the door, whereas last time they could fit that loader inside there. So she definitely full in there now, I bet. Holy moly. Look at that, right to the line, right to the edge. And that was a hopper that had like nothing in it, so he like looked at me in the mirror. He's like, what? And I was like, yeah, she's empty, buddy. That one was empty. Just making sure they know. There she goes. That'll work. All right, I appreciate it. We'll see you maybe again. And now I wait for the thumbs up for all the corn to fall in, because now that my tires are all wet and nasty, there's no need to get that all over the corn. No need to crush any of the corn, and no need to take it with me down this little ramp thing here. So we'll wait her out, no big deal. So far we've got 32 minutes recorded into this video, and I still gotta leave here. So I was hoping that I was gonna be skating on ice the whole way home, and that was gonna be a nice little extra 15 minutes for you, but we're gonna be pulling her out of here. We got the thumbs up. We'll scale out. See what we can see leaving Elmer. Hopefully we got something cool to show us. Wait the bucket on the old loader there. Little telehandler. Truck on high idle this time, so I don't stall her out when someone Idle up. Up we go. Into the snow. Hey, yo. The worst. Oh, it didn't shut down on us this time. Got our paperwork for that big old load. All right, let's go. What's up, Bennett Rentals truck? Air window down. Love that. Wish my truck had that. Windshield wipers run on air too, actually, in this thing. All I know is I am hungry. It is only lunchtime. I'm very surprised we've shut down our whole farming operation. I can't tell you the last time or if I've ever been trucking the corn out of the field when we shut down. I asked Scott about it. He says, yeah, it's happened a couple times, but definitely never in my experience of hauling corn have we ever shut down for rain, yes, snow, no. So I thought it was kind of cool. And then kind of regretted not filming a lot earlier. Oh well. Back to the yard we go, I guess. This turn's a little weird, I'll be honest with you. But we got it. Oh, big green liner coming at us. Big old wave too. What's up, driver? Another big green hauler sitting at the lights. Anybody getting fuel? Nobody getting fuel. Alright then, alright then. Western Stars for you, Western Star kid. But there's definitely no ice road trucking like it was last time. I was only doing 50. People had their four-ways on, fire trucks, everything. Yeah, it was something else, a whole different world than what it is right now. Anyways, we're still shut down in the field. Combine's gone back to the shop for a little de-thaw. And we'll see what's going on when we get back there, because yeah, I don't know what the rest of my day is gonna consist of now, but I'll let you know before the end of the video, that's for sure. Oh, we're a little icy out here. Definitely a little frozen, a little snow covered still on this one. I don't think a snowplow's gone down there yet and dropped anything on it. Oh yeah. Yeah, you don't want to be having to hit your brakes too quick on that by no means for nothing, so. Well, apparently we got some snow here. Everything is just covered. Huh. Yeah, probably a good thing we're shutting her down. Those fields will be muddy. The corn husk will be wet. Plug up the combine. Don't want that. Don't need to break nothing. We have enough of that bad luck. On that little bit of flat ground and a tiny little bit of snow, I managed to get stuck in the big red truck. Yeah, with it flat and barely any snow here, I still backed her up just a little too far, got her stuck, had to kick the old diff lock in, rock it back and forth. I don't know if you've been able to see it in that video clip I just took. If I zoomed up on it and you could see me kind of rocking back and forth, that's what that was, getting stuck right here. Yeah, just had that back axle down on the other side of that little hump there, and then my drives were here, and we were just spinning and spinning and spinning, so we did a little rock and rock and rock, and we got her up and out, and now we're back at the yard. Snow covered ground. Boss man's about to put the big combine inside, so we'll go open the door up for him and go pick up some other stuff from the field, and that'll be it for farming today, apparently. All right, let's go get this door. Pretty tight up there too. Just fits. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get in here. And there she is. Ready to keep warm. Definitely got covered in the old snow. Not really ideal. Even the old step fire extinguisher, everything covered in snow. Anyway. Any moisture in there? It's pretty dry. It's pretty dry.
This here was a bit sticky.
Yeah.
This here got the skid in there.
The old air gun's out. Inside the belly of the beast. Pretty cool. What do you think, Bill? Pretty cool? Pretty cool? Pretty cool. Cleaning out the inside of a combine. Pretty cool. What do you think, Bill?
All the factors that we
Oh yeah, all that stuff out of there. Junk. Alright. Oh my buddy. You know what? There's been people commenting about you and your eye. And one of these days we're gonna go get it fixed. One of these days, my man, but I'm scared they're gonna pop it right out of you. So you be ready for that, because it might be happening. Well, everybody, that was the video. As you've seen, we got some snow. I didn't start recording the bad snow. I don't know why I didn't do that, and I regret it, and that's just the way it goes. I'll start, once I get that hunch, I'll just be like, yep, start recording. Anyway, we're back in the field here. We got the combine back home. We're cleaning it out. We're doing all this. We're doing all that, getting it all ready for tomorrow so we can just go and go and go and go. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching. It didn't really turn out to be the video that I wanted it to be, but it's still a video, so I'm gonna post it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you deal with snow. Maybe you've never even driven in the snow, but snow is definitely very unforgiving, and you can have a bad mistake happen real quick. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Leave me a like on this video, and make sure you share it, and make sure you got the notification bell on and all that stuff. Anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next one.